Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't done one for a very long time, and that's because of what's happened with all the cars during this time. So as by the title, I think you'd know by now that most of the cars are broken, which is why I didn't have much to record or make content on. So today, while I'm stuck in traffic on the way to work, I thought I'd give you guys a quick update on what's been happening with all the cars. So first car first, we'll start with is the car I'm currently driving, which is my daily driver. It's the Nissan Qashqai. This is the workhorse of all the cars that I own. It's got almost 300,000 kilometers on it, super reliable, no issues, automatic for me, perfect for work and for traffic and clearing potholes and speed bumps. So this car had its service done, changed oil, I did spark plugs, air filters, the rest of it. However, this car then started having an oil leak, which I at first thought was the sump. So what we did was we pulled the sump out, had the sump resealed and put back in, and I've got a video on that which I will be posting online as well, just kind of a DIY for anybody who is looking to seal or change their sump on this car, as I didn't find much information online on YouTube on how to. And then at the same time, what I also did was I changed the gearbox. Sorry, it's just a bit of traffic and speed bumps. I changed the automatic gearbox fluid, the CVT fluid. I'll have a video of that as well. And again, that was purely just routine maintenance. It's recommended to change every 100,000 kilometers. Like I mentioned, I'm almost on 300,000 kilometers now, so it was good for me to do it just to keep the car running. And I've got a DIY on that as well, because I didn't find anything online. Okay, so Qashqai sorted out, using it again, daily driver, no issues. It allows me now to finally work on my other cars. So let's start off with the Beetle. I sold it. Why did I sell it? It was a project car. It needed more work than I thought it did. I still have two other cars which I completely want to finish off, which is the Civic Type R Turbo as well as my 1978 Mercedes. So I decided to sell the Beetle. I had someone interested in it, sold it for quite a fair bit more than I paid for it. So all in all, happy with that sale. It allowed me to focus on my other cars. If you've seen from my previous videos, the Mercedes, I did a whole video on what I'm going to do with that car. I still need to film it, but it has gone in for a lot of work already. I've ordered new shocks, all four. That's currently being installed. What I've also decided to do is adjust the ride height with springs. So springs are being sorted out as well. When it's in there, it's going for some detailing, so sorting out the paint work, paint correction, polish, all that sort of thing. I had a change of heart. Instead of going, as you may have seen in the previous video, with building OEM bunt wheels, which were the 14-inch ones, I came across a set of BBS RS's, original wheels, original PCD form Mercedes, 16-inch wheels. I'll show you guys that as well when I film that video. So I landed up buying those OEM BBS RS wheels and fitting them to the car with some new rubber. I think it was 215 55 16s. I'll have to double check on that. So Mercedes got new wheels, new tires. I've got new shocks going into it, sorting out the suspension, the springs. Then I have some also work happening to it with the soft top mechanism, just to smooth it out and make it a bit easier. I'll show you guys that as well. And then the car should be good to go for summer. That's all I'm going to be doing to the car now at the moment. Sort out the ride height, mechanically it's fine. The detailing will take care of the bodywork, and then I will be driving it as is. I may do a cat delete, or catless cat removal, and put a mid pipe in. I'm not sure how that's going to sound, if it's going to drone or not, so I still need to do a bit more research on that. If anybody out there who's got a 1978 450 SL or any 107 that's done a cat delete but stock back box, please let me know. So I may do that for the Mercedes. Then moving on to the Type R, what's happening with that? So the Type R had a bit of an issue. when I was driving it under boost or wide open throttle, I would get a lot of fumes and kind of fuel smell coming into the car. I know, well, when I then investigated, I saw there's a bit of a gap or a leak between the turbo and the downpipe. The V-band clamp was basically shot, so I bought another V-band clamp. It was a VC size 11. I had that, or I fitted that myself. I've got a video on that as well. However, I still get a lot of fumes in the car. So at the moment, the car is not being driven because I actually can't drive the car like that. So I need to now take that car to an exhaust shop, let them sort out the leak. I want them to check the manifolds for any other leaks. I want them to rewrap the downpipe while they are at it, and then hopefully that will be the Type R sorted from a driving perspective. You know, at least I'll be able to drive the car then. So that's the first thing that the car is going in for. Then when the car is back, I'm planning to order some BC racing coilovers. We'll fit that ourselves to the car. As you know, the shocks are leaking, so I need to sort that out, drop the ride height a bit, and then get some new tires on the Type R. I'm looking at going for the PS4 Michelin tires on the front, Pilot Sport 4s. If you've got any other recommendations, please let me know. And then hopefully the Type R will be sorted out. Out of all the builds that I've done, or for the Type R in specifically, everything's been upgraded except for the suspension. So I've done brakes, I've done wheels, I've done engine, I've done interior, I've done exterior. I haven't done the suspension. So hopefully the coilovers will be the last big ticket item that we add to the car. And then I'm going to get the wheels refurbed when I put on the new tires, fit the coilovers, sort out the fuel issue, and then the Type R will be good to go. So I'm hoping to get that done within the next 2 months as well, while the Mercedes is being done, or maybe I'll finish the Mercedes first and then do the Type R, just so that I know I'm ticking off the boxes as it is, and then hopefully all the project cars will be completed. So that's just a quick update for you guys on what's happening. Why I haven't been posting any videos was because all my cars were broken or being worked on in some form or another, whether it was service, whether it was maintenance, with the Type R issues that I obviously need to sort out now. And then with the Mercedes, it's just improvements basically. So Mercedes is in. I'm hoping to get it back next week. Where I can then start filming some of the changes that have been made. Qashqai is sorted out, and then hopefully in the next few months we will sort out the Type R. So yes, I've recorded some videos. I haven't recorded much, but I have recorded some, so a lot of content hopefully to come. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully we'll have new videos soon. Cheers.